Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by saving work and using an administrator account. This prevents data loss when Windows restarts. Once ready, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Make sure you select Restart Now under Advanced Startup. This boots into the recovery environment. You do this because Safe Mode must be invoked from the recovery options rather than normal shutdowns. Once recovery loads, you are ready to continue into the troubleshooting and startup settings steps that enable Safe Mode. Once recovery shows, choose an option, select Troubleshoot, and then Advanced Options to reach startup settings. You need to press Restart there so the system reboots into a menu with numbered startup choices. Make sure to note the numbers. 4 enables Safe Mode, 5 enables Safe Mode with networking, and 6 enables Safe Mode with command prompt. This is the critical middle step because it replaces the usual boot with a minimal diagnostic environment that helps isolate drivers and services causing problems. After the restart, press the number corresponding to the Safe Mode variant you want. You must act quickly during the countdown. You will see Safe Mode text in the screen corners and notice Reduced Resolution and Disabled Non-Essential Drivers. This confirms you booted correctly. Once in Safe Mode, diagnose or remove problematic software and drivers. If Safe Mode won't load, reboot and repeat the process. And if that fails, try System Restore from Advanced Options. This single recovery path is the only dependable way to enter Safe Mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.